Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill and this is your June add-on kits. So there are 3 add-on kits that you can choose to go along with your Flavors of the Month kit. There's the cardstock add-on, patterned paper, and embellishments. The cardstock add-ons include 3 additional cardstocks to go with each one of the 4 collections. Your pattern paper has 2 additional pattern papers to go with each one of the collections, and then you'll get more embellishments for each one of the 4s. So let's look closer at each one of these add-ons. First, we're going to look at the cardstock add-on. Like I said earlier, you're going to get 3 additional cardstocks to go with each one of the collections. So this is great if you like to scrapbook on a cardstock background, or if you want to map photos or do some digital die cuts. So first up, for Simple Stories Travel Notes, we have 2 sheets of cranberry and a sheet of blueberry. For Confetti Wishes, we have a sheet of lip gloss and 2 sheets of Bayou. For Fancy Pants Poolside, we have 2 sheets of Moody Blue and 1 sheet of blush. And for Dad Style, we have 1 sheet of Java and 2 sheets of Yukon Gold. So you can see that Rochelle does an awesome job of matching up the colors in the collections to give you more choices. Next, let's look at the pattern paper. So you're going to get 2 sheets of pattern paper to go along with each of the 4 collections. These are not duplicates of any that you'll receive in the Flavors of the Month, so you're getting 2 additional patterns. For Simple Stories Travel Notes, this one called See the World, which has the world map on it and the names of the continents on there. The back side is a blue and cream colored diagonal stripe. And then Photo Op, which are these great cameras on this text background. And the back side has all of the travel stamps on kind of a crafty looking background. Gorgeous color scheme in that collection. Pink Paisley Confetti Wishes has this fun print with these tropical leaves and the flamingos and the toucans, the parrots, all in their little party hats and balloons. Also has this full branding strip. Back side is an ombre pink, and it has celebration words out throughout it: cake and ice cream, presents. The next sheet are the tropical palm leaves on a pink background, and the back is this watercolor print with a yellow to a blue-green. Fancy Pants Poolside, we have this one called Pool Party, which has the little rubber duck swim ring with the beach balls. The back side is this navy blue text print. This paper called Let's Flamingo has the little checks and the blue and the navy and the yellow and the pink, so that's a lot of fun. The back side are these pink flamingo inner tubes on the water. And then Bella Boulevard Dad Style. We have this one that has all of the little pie pieces in the different colors. And the back is this really fun kind of printed sponge looking print that's in the brown, and it's a dark chocolate black. It's not a true black, but just a really dark, almost like a charcoal. And then this one called Dress to Impress has all of these vintage looking shoes on it and the fun prints. The back side is a white and tan print with the rectangles and diamonds and squares. So one more look at your patterned paper. So if you're like me and you love more choices on patterned paper, be sure to check out the patterned paper add-on to go with your Flavors of the Month. Our last add-on is the embellishment add-on. This is my favorite. So you're going to get one of the sticker sheets from Pink Paisley. These are the washi strips, so the embellishments will vary on this, but this is the one that I received. From Bella Boulevard for Dad Style, you're going to get the cardstock sticker sheet. Lots of little word labels, some circles and hearts and hexagons, so lots of fun shapes and even a couple of border strips. For Fancy Pants Poolside, you're going to get the chipboard stickers. So they have those fun inner tube icons through here again, along with a splish splash you could use for a title. Simple Stories travel notes, you're going to get a half a pack of the ephemera pieces. So these will vary in your kits, but this is what I received in mine. So again, some labels with words, ones that you could use for titles, and fun travel icons. And that's a look at the Flavors of the Month add-on kit for the embellishments. One more look at all 3 of the add-ons. If you're not a subscriber to the YouTube channel, be sure to click that coffee cup to subscribe and you'll be notified when new videos are revealed. Also be sure to check out the other videos available here so you can see the Flavors of the Month kit up close, as well as lots of other videos. Come on over to the ScrapRoom blog and the Facebook page to see what everyone else is creating with their kits and join in on some challenges. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.